I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at whether the Eufy 11S Robovac can avoid falling downstairs or falling off of a balcony. And I've got kind of the perfect place to test it. This is the balcony in my house. You can see it's just a exposed edge that the robot could certainly go over, and it's a one-story drop, and we've got the top of a staircase. So in theory, this device should be able to avoid those hazards, should detect when it gets to the edge. Let's go ahead and let it loose up here on the balcony and see how it handles it. So approaching that edge, okay, great. It has avoided falling over. It's really playing right on the edge of that. Let's open this up. Let's see if give it a chance to fall down the stairs. Coming back to the balcony, this is so nerve-wracking. But it seems to get when it's in danger of falling. It's going to bounce my gate around here. Now it follows the contours of the wall pretty well here. Really cleans that balcony edge just as if it's the edge of a wall. Still kind of freaks me out watching that happen. But it's impressively good at not falling over, at least so far. Look at that, it goes over the edge by about an inch. Here it comes towards the stairs. Let's see how it does with this. Yep, it's going to turn towards the stairs and say, nope, not falling down those. So pretty impressive. Again, it's really a little scary to watch it. I certainly wouldn't walk under it just in case. But you know, overall, in terms of its ability to clean up here, it's doing a great job, and it's not falling off even once.